many people that I have interacted with highlight that one of the challenges they face is at the time of registration. They find either they are registered for a wrong tax, and when the revenue authority comes, they are not able to reconcile with them on understanding that they are supposed to pay certain types of taxes, but what they perceived that they would be paying is not actually the tax. So what are the common mistakes and that happen at registration, and how can they be avoided?
So at registration, people register wrong taxes. I can give you an example of Alex Nzei, a recent case that actually gave URA a headache. Alex registered for wrong taxes, and that is why, it was Amos Nzei. Yeah. Amos registered for he had a wrong type of tax. So because he was registered for that type of tax, URA assumed actually he earns this income, maybe he is into real estate. But the gentleman was not. He was simply selling a piece of land that he had had for a long time. So registering for wrong type of taxes is where, I think earlier, I told you that you have to know what is the type of tax I'm supposed to register. But for example, for sole proprietors, you're supposed to register for business income. If you hit the threshold of 150 million, you're supposed to register for value-added tax. This is non-negotiable. No matter how small you are, whether you're an individual or company, as long as you hit the threshold of 150, you're supposed to register for VAT. So you need to know what to register and at what time. If you go into importation and exportation, you need to register for that type of tax so that you pay for that tax. So with that, one of the things that actually, where you find people are not agreeing with the type of tax, estimated tax their URA has estimated for them, these people file late. They are not compliant. So at the end of the day, if you're not compliant, what is the punishment? You get a penalty, you get interest. So you will sit back and silence is a total killer. By the time you wake up, a person who had a small business, URA is telling you they're demanding over 300 million, which you don't know about. Why? They have been contacting you through your emails and you're quiet. You even have a CRM who is a customer relationship manager, but you do not use these people. If you file your returns and you feel like your supplier or your contractor has taken long to pay you, inform your CRM and tell them, please do not penalty me. I have filed on time, but the payment is going to come at this particular time. Please use your CRMs because these are the people who are going to save you from these too much estimated taxes. So that is where people get it wrong. They delay to comply and then argue or cause chaos when URA taxes them for the non-compliance.